back to my channel and welcome to another Vlogmas episode. This morning I was just drinking my coffee, catching up on some Vlogmas videos. I'm chilling here with Kobe. Thought I would pick up the camera and vlog today. It's gonna be a little bit different of a day. I'm actually getting out of the apartment today, but I'm gonna sit and probably edit for a little bit. I'm just waiting for my Apple Pencil to charge. Like, I can't edit my videos without having my pencil. I just feel like it's really annoying to not have like the pinpoint on an iPad. But I was gonna sit and edit for a little bit. I basically have like 2 last things to do for my markets, and then I'm like all set, so I'm probably gonna finish those up. I said it's gonna be a little different today because my boyfriend and his brother and brother's wife too are renovating a house. It's about like 20 minutes away from our apartment, and they're like completely renovating it and everything. And I've just gone a couple days and helped as well. But today I think we're gonna go there and do a couple things. Not sure what. He needs help like holding something up or something, I don't know. We're gonna go there for a little bit and do some things, so it'll be fun. I like doing those kind of things. Like, I love working with my hands and like feeling accomplished in that way. I think that's why I love working on my business so much, because I always can like see what I got done. Like you know, you're doing it physically, and when you're done you have a finished product. So yeah, I just love that. I'm that kind of person that likes to be active and actually do it with my hands. So it'll be nice to kind of get out of the apartment a little bit. So I think while my Apple Pencil is charging, it doesn't take long at all because it's so teensy. I'm going to finish up my beaded rings quick. They're all done. I beaded them. I added a little bit of glue to the knot, but now I just need to trim off the little excess. I always like leave the excess and then do the glue first, and then once the glue is all like nice and hard, I trim like the string. I just feel like that makes me like feel like it's secure, I guess. So I think I'm gonna do that. They also need to be sized and put little tags on them as well, so I might just do that right away too, and then those will be done. I think the only other thing I kind of need to do for my market on my to-do list is grab change, so that I have change to give to people. A lot of people pay with cash at these kinds of markets, which is really nice, but I obviously have like a card reader as well. And I need some kind of like plate or basket or something for my beaded rings. I think I'm just gonna like thrift something. I just need to like lay them out on something, because all of my resin rings are like all on cards, and then I hang them on those boards. But the beaded rings I don't want to put on a card. I don't think that'd work very well, so I just put like a little tag on them. But then I need to like set them on something, and I think the little dishes that I have are too small. So yeah, I need to like run to a Goodwill or something one of these days and grab something. But I was thinking about maybe trying to bring some like Christmas decor, because these markets are so holiday themed, but we'll see. I also don't want to cram up my table too much. Maybe just like little mini lights or something would be cute. But I don't think I'll have a plug-in. I could get the little battery ones, but we'll see. I'm kind of whispering because my boyfriend's still sleeping. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do the beaded rings real quick and then edit a little bit. Last night I literally got my video up at 11:30 p.m. half an hour before the day was done. It just like took me forever. I did a gift guide for, kind of like a gift guide for Ulta, like the best gift sets at Ulta. So if you don't know like what the heck to buy at Ulta because it's overwhelming or anything, it's a good video to watch. But I had to like, I wanted to link everything. I wanted to insert little pictures of each gift set, so it just was like time consuming, and yeah, it just took me forever. But we did it. Half an hour to spare. Alright, let's get going. Hard to size because they're like a little bit stretchy, so technically they can probably fit like a range of sizes. So I usually size them as what the ring is without stretching, so that it's not tight at all, because I just feel like you need to have some kind of like reference. Like I feel like I couldn't just not size them, you know, and especially for online they need to have a size so that people know like what they're ordering. Obviously in person they can just try them on, but yeah, it's like you have to size them, but it's kind of hard to size them because of the stretchiness. But okay, we're on the way to the house now. I finished putting all of the rings on cards. I forgot that I had another little batch to put on cards. So the beaded rings are tagged. The last batch is on cards. And I also had to put my little holiday rings on cards as well. They have red and green foil. So everything, all the rings are done. So yeah, we're gonna go to the house, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we'll see what happens. We're back home. That was not great. But I came in to edit my video a little bit while my boyfriend makes dinner. It's like almost 6 o'clock now. We're definitely there a little longer than I think we thought we were gonna be. So yeah, just gonna sit down and edit for a little bit and then we're gonna eat. What they're called?
Salted caramel.
Okay, salted caramel. Ooh! The inside is definitely gooey. What do you think? Yeah, kind of boring. Pecan pie, right? I like the shape of this one. That's kind of like an actual pie. Oh, this part, this syrupy, you can like literally taste the little sugar in the, yeah, it's like crystal. That's good. I like that one. You like it?
Better than this one.
Yeah, it's just gonna sound boring. And this one's caramel toffee. Looks like the little pieces are gonna be really good on the top. I don't know if I really like toffee. I think I like toffee. I'm just gonna put that back. I mean, I like the gooiness of it. Got some milk. Good thing we left it out. Okay, I need to make my favorite. Chocolate lava?
Chocolate lava cake.
I wonder, do they all come warm? I think some of them are chilled, right? Some of them come chilled, I think, or like only certain ones. But. So they'd probably be better if they're warm. I'm just gonna bite all of it. Mmm. It's good. They're so sugary though. Like so sweet. You really can only have a couple bites of each.
I don't like any of these. I mean, I like them, but...
Why did that one just make you shiver?
I don't know, it's too much.
Just too much? Yeah, it's very, very sweet.
It's like fake chocolate.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't taste like... I don't know. I love chocolate, but that is very... And I like the little lava. Like that you can actually see it in there. Yeah, why do I feel like whenever we get these, we don't even really like them that much? But they're like a sweet treat. And they're fun to try, but...
5, 6, 4, 4.
I would say like 2. That one had barely any taste, I feel like. It was just...
This part's really good.
Yeah.
It's just like caramely cookie dough.
I don't even know. I think my favorite was the pecan pie though. It actually tastes like pecan pie, I feel like. I like the chocolate, but it's overbearing. I could have like one bite and that's literally it. Fun
Yeah, not a good
stuff.
not a good Crumbl experience.
Were we ever blown away by Crumbl though? Do you remember one that you actually have liked? That you remember that was like, oh, that was good. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, it is now a little after 9. I just finished editing and uploading my video. It's gonna go live in like 15 minutes. I got so tired. I feel like I haven't felt tired in a long time. Like I feel like I've just had really high energy, like been feeling good. But tonight just like hit me so hard. I was editing my video here in bed and like literally falling asleep as I was editing it because I just felt so exhausted. I feel a little better now. I kind of got a second wind, but yeah, I think it's just been so busy and stuff. My body's just getting worn down. I think I'm gonna go shower and get in some sweatpants, and then we'll kind of see how I feel after that. I don't know if I'll just like feel like chilling out because I'll be so tired still, or if I'll get like more energy and wanna do other things, so we'll see. I'm thinking the first one.